all the content. Okay, just it will take around Asia will take around 2 and 3 more lectures. Tomorrow we will continue with the Brahmaputra river. Okay, summarize all the content. Okay, just it will take around Asia will take around 2 and 3 more lectures. Tomorrow we will continue with the Brahmaputra river. Okay, summarize all the content. Okay, just it will take around Asia will take around 2 and 3 more lectures. Tomorrow we will continue with the Brahmaputra river. Okay. This is Alaknanda. This is Bhagirathi. THI. Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi and Ganga is same. The head stream of Ganga is called or known as Bhagirathi. Ganga originates from its source with the name of Bhagirathi. स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट से भागीरथी बोलते हैं. रिवर सेम ही. दिस इज मंदाकिनी. दिस इज नंदाकिनी. This is Nandakini. Here this is a Dhauli Ganga. This is Pindar. Pindar. Just remember one thing here, that this 1, 2, 3 Dhauli Ganga, Nandakini, Pindar and Mandakini, this one Mandakini, are the tributary of Alaknanda, and Alaknanda itself the tributary of Bhagirathi or Ganga. Just remember these 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are the tributary of Alaknanda. Alaknanda itself is a tributary of Ganga. Just wait. This Bhagirathi originates from Gangotri Glacier near Gomukh. Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand. Originates from Gangotri Glacier near Gomukh, Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand. Mandakini originates from Kedarnath. Alaknanda originates from Satoknath Glacier above Badrinath. Dhauli Ganga originates from Joshimath mountain. Nandakini originates from Gunti mountain. Pindar originates from Pindar glacier. Just draw this. These all things are happening in Uttarakhand. You know, in geography, the confluence is the place where the two water bodies meets each other. The confluence is the place where the two water bodies meets each other. Okay. So here, the confluence of Bhagirathi and this Alaknanda forms Devprayag. This is what Rudraprayag. This is Karnaprayag. This is Nandprayag. This is Vishnuprayag. Mandakini also Kedarnath and forms Rudraprayag. These 5 prayags are known as Panchprayag. From north to south, this is north and this is south. Vishnuprayag, Nandprayag, Karnaprayag, Rudraprayag, and Devprayag. After this Devprayag or Haridwar or Rishikesh, this Bhagirathi is known as Ganga. First, it flows towards south. This all things are happening in Uttarakhand, just remember. This is UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Bangladesh. First, this Ganga flows towards south, enters into UP, then enters into Bihar, then Jharkhand, then it flows into West Bengal, then it enters into Bangladesh with the name of Padma. In Bangladesh, it is known as Padma. It enters into Bangladesh from the place is called Rajshahi. The place is called Rajshahi. Rajshahi is located in Bangladesh. Ganga enters into Bangladesh from Rajshahi place, and it is known as Padma in Bangladesh. It flows from Jharkhand, the district called Sahibganj. Here, this Padma meets with another river called Jamuna. Both the confluence forms Meghna. Forms Meghna. Both the confluence forms Meghna. Both the confluence forms Meghna. After this Meghna, this is what Sundarban Delta. Also known as home of Royal Bengal tiger. This Meghna forms a delta and drains into Bay of Bengal. This is what drains into Bay of Bengal. Drains into Bay of Bengal. Meghna drains into Bay of Bengal. Just draw this diagram. From this West Bengal, this is West Bengal, okay. There is a place in West Bengal known as Faraka. Farraka, from where it discharges a distributary called Hooghly. Hugli. Hooghly. Hooghly has a tributary called Damodar, also known as Sorrow of Bengal. Damodar has a tributary called Barakar. Barakar. Let's draw this. Barakar is the tributary of Damodar. Damodar, also known as Sorrow of Bengal, which drains into the Hooghly. Hooghly is the distributary of Ganga. Distributary is the vice versa of tributary. For example, this is the main water body. A water body joins it. It is called tributary. When this main water discharges something, it is called distributary. Sundarban Delta, the home of Royal Bengal tiger. This whole thing is happening in Uttarakhand, okay? Draw this. I am giving you two diagrams for Ganga. One is this whole and the another for its tributary only, okay? So draw both the diagrams separately. This is Ganga. Students are always confused in the left and right tributary, okay? So just consider I am Ganga and I am flowing towards this side like this river. So this is my left hand. Left hand means left tributaries. It means these are the left tributaries and these are the right tributaries. Just remember. These are the right tributaries. Number 1 Yamuna, number 2 Karmansa, number 3 Punpun, then Son, S-O-N. Here these are the left tributaries. Alaknanda, Ramganga, Gomati, घाघरा, गंडक, कोसी, महानंदा, महानंदा। This Kosi is also known as sorrow of Bihar. Kosi is also known as sorrow of Bihar. Alaknanda, Ramganga, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, also known as sorrow of Bihar, Mahananda, Son, Punpun, Karmansa, Karmansa, Yamuna. These are the left tributaries, these are the right tributaries. These are the right tributaries, these are the left tributaries. Draw this. Sorrow of Bengal, Damodar. We will cover Ganga River on this atlas, the red one, Oxford Student Atlas for India. What are the perennial rivers, how they will get the water, from where their sources, how their sources are there. Okay, we will discuss at each and everything at the time of geomorphology. Okay, not now, not required, because this is the mapping class, and I'll cover geomorphology, then I'll tell you basics, so don't worry. We will cover, आएगा वो करा देंगे. Open page number 13. 13 13 पेज नंबर 13 13 hopefully you have drawn this. Just highlight all the location on page number 13, political map of Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand. Okay, so just look at Uttarakhand in your atlas. To the south of China's sea there is Gangotri glacier. Just highlight it, Gangotri glacier, or circle with the pen if you don't have highlighter for highlight. To the south of China's sea in Uttarakhand there is location Gangotri glacier. To the south of this there is Kedarnath. To the east of this there is Badrinath. To the south of Badrinath there is Joshimath. To the south of Joshimath there is Karnaprayag. To the south of Karnaprayag there is Rudraprayag. To the west of Rudraprayag there is Devprayag. To the north of Rudraprayag there is Alaknanda. To the west of Gangotri there is Bhagirathi. To the west of Bhagirathi there is Yamunotri. To the south of Yamunotri there is Tons, Tons. To the south of Uttarakhand R there is Ramganga. Now page number 17, red atlas, page number 17. Again on Uttarakhand's R there is river Ramganga. In Uttar Pradesh, on Uttar Pradesh E, Pradesh E, there is Ghagra river. And to the south of Ghagra there is Gomti. To the south of Gomti there is Ganga. To the south of Ganga on India's D there is Son. To the west of Son there is Tons, Tons. On Bihar's B also there is Ganga. On the border of Bihar and Jharkhand there is a location Sahibganj, topmost area, northeast of Jharkhand. To the north of, in the Nepal area there is Arun river, ARUN, highlight this. Tamur river, south of this TAMUR. Saptkosi is there. On the border of UP and Bihar there is Karmansa river. To the north of India's I. To the east of this there is Son river, SON. To the south of Son there is Punpun. Then Yamuna, YAMUNA, Yamuna. Yamuna to this side of the map, Yamuna. For online student also, Yamuna, this is Yamuna. Now open your northeastern map first. Northeast, page number 19. Highlight this Tropic of Cancer first on page number 19. To the south of West Bengal tea, there is in Jharkhand on India's end, there is to the north of Kolkata, there is Hooghly River. Just highlight them. Mahananda on the border of Bihar and West Bengal, northern side, it is available. Just highlight. Jamuna on in Bangladesh, in the mid of Bangladesh. Padma is to the north of Tropic of Cancer tea. Meghna is to the south of Tropic of Cancer. Just highlight it. Then mouth of the Ganga, highlight it. Bay of Bengal, highlight it. Then open page number 70. Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Maldives. Page number 70. Highlight this Tropic of Cancer once in Bangladesh. As I told you, this Ganga enters into Bangladesh from Rajshahi place, okay, with the name of Padma. So, to the south of Bangladesh B, there is Rajshahi place. Highlight it. Then to the north of Bangladesh G, there is Jamuna. Highlight it. Then Meghna, highlight it, south of Tropic of Cancer. Highlight mouth of the Ganga, Bay of Bengal, New Murray Island. To the south of Bangladesh, it is available. Highlight all. Then highlight Gulf of Mannar, Park Strait, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. Note down. Ganga is the largest river in India. Ganga is the largest river in India. Son is the southernmost tributary of Ganga. Son is the southernmost tributary of Ganga. Yamuna is the longest tributary. Yamuna is the longest tributary. Then Mahananda is the last left bank tributary in Ganga. Of Ganga, sorry. Mahananda is the last left bank tributary of Ganga. Then the Ganga basin covers 8.6 lakh kilometer area in India alone. Just remember one thing here, this Yamuna originates from Yamunotri, near Bandarpunj. Near Bandarpunj. Note down. Yamuna originates from Yamunotri, near Bandarpunj. It joins Ganga near Allahabad. It joins Ganga near Allahabad. Just note down some tributary of Ganga. Sorry, I mean Yamuna. Yamuna. Note down from west to east. From west to east. Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, Can, BETWA, BETWA, Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, Can joins it on its right bank. Joins it on its right bank. Then Toons, Hindon, Karain, Sengar, Sengar, Rind, RIND, Rind are left tributary of Yamuna. Are left tributary of Yamuna. Then next one is Karmansa. Note down Karmansa. Karmansa. Originates from Kaimur district of Bihar. Originates from Kaimur district of Bihar. Flows through Mirzapur. Flows through Mirzapur and joins the Ganga at Chausa. And joins the Ganga at Chausa. CHAUSA. and joins the Ganga at Chausa. Buxar, Buxar. It makes the boundary of Bihar and UP. It makes the boundary of Bihar and UP. Next is Punpun, Pun, Pun. Punpun. Originates in Chota Nagpur Plateau. Originates in Chota Nagpur Plateau. Palamu district. Palamu district. Palamu district of Jharkhand and flows through Jharkhand and Bihar and flows through Jharkhand and Bihar. Join Ganga at Fatuha. Fatuha. Next is Son. Son. Originates from Amarkantak Plateau. Originates from Amarkantak Plateau. It reaches Ara. It reaches Ara, ARA. It reaches Ara, comma, west of Patna, west of Patna, comma, west of Patna, comma, west of Patna, to join Ganga, to join Ganga, full stop. Next is Gomati. Next is Gomati. Identifies from Pilibhit, joins Gazipur. Identifies from Pilibhit, joins Gazipur. Identifies from Pilibhit, joins Gazipur. Next is Ramganga. Ramganga rises from Garhwal Hills. Rises from Garhwal Hills near Gaurisan Mountain. near Gorisan mountain, joins Ganga near Kannauj. It joins Ganga near Kannauj. Next is Ghagra. Originates from Mapta-Chunga Glacier, Tibet. It joins at Chhapra, Chhapra. Next is Kosi River, Kosi. It originates Mount Everest, full stop. It originates Mount Everest, full stop. Where its main stream Arun rises. Full stop. After Nepal, it is joined by Sonkosi. After Nepal, it is joined by Sonkosi. From the west, WEST, and Tamurkosi from east. It forms Saptakosi, SAPT. It forms Saptakosi after uniting river Arun. Next is Mahananda. Mahananda. Originates from the hills of Darjeeling. Originates from the hills of Darjeeling. This is the last left bank tributary of Ganga. Mahananda is the last left bank tributary of Ganga. It joins Ganga at Godagiri Ghat. It joins Ganga at Godagiri Ghat. Next is Gandak. 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 It comprises Kali Gandak, Trishul Ganga. It comprises Kali Gandak, Trishul Ganga. Both rises from Nepal Himalayas. Between Dholagiri and Mount Everest. And drains the central part of Nepal. it enters the Ganga plain in the Champaran district of Bihar. It enters the Champaran district of Bihar and joins the Ganga at Sonpur, Sonpur, near Patna, and joins the Ganga at Sonpur near Patna. We will continue from tomorrow with Asian rivers. Okay. So just revise them all. Try to highlight all the content on your atlas. Memorize all the content. Okay. Just it will take around Asia will take around 2 and 3 more lectures. Tomorrow we will continue with the Brahmaputra river. Okay. Thank you so much.